My name is Andy Corran. I've worked at Syngenta for 32 years, and my job is to understand how fungicides work. It's what's the mode of action, how potent are they, what proteins do they bind to. So it's really all aspects of how these fungicides are working. And for us, that means we can design more effective molecules, more potent molecules, as well as understanding things like antifungal spectrum and what's the opportunities for resistance accumulating.
Hi, I'm Geert Gronkel. I'm development lead for Turf and Landscape, which means that I'm responsible for all the efficacy work and crop safety work that needs to be done in order to get new produce registered or old products re-registered. And my main area of work is in Europe, but I also do a little bit in Africa and the Middle East. So I hope you enjoy today, and if you have any questions, then please let me know. Thank you.
Okay, I'm Dave Bartlett. I've worked in agrochemical research for Syngenta and the legacy companies for nearly 39 years now. Most of that time I've worked in biokinetics, and I've studied fungicides, herbicides and insecticides, although my true specialisation is in fungicides. I think over that time, biokinetics has developed a very long way, and the definition of biokinetics really is what happens from the time at which a fungicide lands on a leaf or a soil surface and when that fungicide gets to the biochemical site in the fungus and kills it. So it's all to do with deposition on the leaf, uptake through the leaf cuticle and movement in the plant once the chemical's actually been absorbed, and then translocation and metabolism throughout. So it's everything to do with the features which deliver the effects that we're trying to actually sell.
My name is Karen Mead. I'm a senior research scientist working in the fungicide biokinetics group at Syngenta. We have a wide range of techniques that we use in order to build up a complete understanding of how our products work and move and behave in and on a plant.
Hi, I'm Kate. I come from the West Midlands in the heart of the Black Country, but live now in Hampshire. I've been working with turf diseases for the past 27 years, and for the last 17 working for myself. I enjoy the freedom that it gives me, I enjoy being my own boss, and I enjoy the independence. Over the years, I've made some very good working relationships with both individuals and companies around the world, and I've been privileged to work with some greenkeepers and groundsmen that maintain some amazing facilities worldwide. As well as walking, I enjoy real ales. My favourite food has to be curry, and I have a good collection of cacti and palms that I've grown from seed. Quite an eclectic mix of hobbies. In addition to that, I'm a dog lover, and we've been lucky enough over the years to look after two amazing rotties. This is Martha. Martha is our third rottie. She's 8 months old. She's an absolute joy. There's nothing I enjoy more than being outdoors, whatever the weather. Being on a walk with a dog, if it leads to a pub that sells real ale, that's perfect.
Hello, my name is Marcela Muñoz, with the N and the funny thing in the top. I speak Spanish because I'm from Chile, but I'm based in the UK, and I work for Syngenta as the technical manager for turf and landscape in the EME region, that's Europe, Africa and the Middle East. I have a background in sports turf. I study at the Ohio State University. And the reason why I got into turf is because I love to play football, not soccer, football, and I'm actually playing here in the UK for the football Bluebirds. As part of my job, I do a lot of trials, I do clients visits, and basically I do all the technical support, commercial support for this big region. I hope you enjoyed today's workshop, and you're more than invited to ask any question that you have.